Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Srijanur. Today's topic is positive construction and negative constructions.
পজিটিভ কনস্ট্রাকশন হচ্ছে আমাদের হ্যাঁ বোধক বাক্য আর নেগেটিভ কনস্ট্রাকশন হচ্ছে না বোধক বাক্য। পজিটিভ কনস্ট্রাকশন আর নেগেটিভ কনস্ট্রাকশন বাক্যগুলোকে সহজভাবে দ্রুত উচ্চারণের ক্ষেত্রে ইংরেজিতে কিছু উচ্চারণ চেঞ্জ হয়ে যায়। সেই বিষয় নিয়ে আজকে আমরা প্র্যাকটিস করব।
So let's get started.
শুরুতেই আমরা চর্চা করি পজিটিভ কনস্ট্রাকশন মানে হ্যাঁ বোধক বাক্য। যেমন I am,
I
I am,
am,
then we are,
we are,
we are,
we are,
he is,
his,
he is,
his,
then she is,
she's,
she is,
she's,
then they are,
they are,
they are,
they are,
it is,
it's,
it is,
it's,
what is,
what's,
what is,
what's,
then where is,
where's,
where is,
where's,
then who is,
whose,
who is,
whose,
then I will,
of,
I will,
of,
then I had,
of,
I had,
of,
then I had,
out,
I had,
out,
then I would,
out,
I would,
out,
এরপরে নেগেটিভ কনস্ট্রাকশন বা না বোধক বাক্য। I am not,
aren't,
I am not,
aren't,
is not,
isn't,
is not,
isn't,
are not,
aren't,
are not,
aren't,
then was not,
wasn't,
was not,
wasn't,
then were not,
went,
were not,
went,
do not,
don't,
do not,
don't,
does not,
doesn't,
does not,
doesn't,
did not,
didn't,
did not,
didn't,
have not,
haven't,
have not,
haven't,
had not,
hadn't,
had not,
hadn't,
then cannot,
can't,
cannot,
can't,
could not,
couldn't,
could not,
couldn't,
will not,
won't,
will not,
won't,
would not,
wouldn't,
would not,
wouldn't,
and shall not,
shan't,
shall not,
shan't,
should not,
shouldn't,
should not,
shouldn't,
may not,
mayn't,
may not.
mayn't. For today's again. God bless you. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.
Bye.